What is good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Phil S2K, and today I got something very spontaneous in store. So I was on the Facebook market just scrolling like how I would normally do, just scrolling, and I ended up buying today at random a new single exit J's Racing 60 RS exhaust. I didn't think I was gonna do it, but the kid hit me up, gave me a crazy good deal on it, and I was like, yo, I can't pass it up. I mean, like I said, I've been wanting to get a single exit exhaust instead of the dual. So my Skunk 2 will be up for sale. I'm trying to keep it local, so if you're a local and you want it, hit me up. I'll probably sell it like $450, around there. So if you want it, let me know. I'll definitely once I get it, I'm gonna try to get it off the car today so I can take pictures of it and then post it up on the internet. But the J's Racing exhaust, now it is used, but it is sexy. Oh, it's got like the titanium look. I'm pretty sure this is made out of stainless steel, but it has the titanium look and it looks really good. Like I said, it is used, so it does have this dent right here, but you won't be able to see this dent while it's on the car, so it's not that deep. So you guys see it. Dang. Got like the little burnt tip. It needs to be cleaned. I mean, it's the exhaust, so I'm not that crazy about it, but yeah. There we have it, people. Okay, so now I'm hoping that these two bolts here are not gonna be a bitch to come off. Doesn't look like it's seized up or anything. It should be pretty good because this here is my NVIDIA test pipe, so it should be okay because these bolts are fairly new, I guess. So I'm hoping that it's not seized. All right, so I'm gonna WD-40 it just so it could just be a little bit easier to come off. Let that sit for like a little bit. Nice. That one broke free. Thank you, Jesus. I was hoping that this wasn't gonna be a terrible fight, bro, because it's one thing about exhaust, bro. It should be a bitch. Alright. Next one. That was pretty simple. It wasn't that bad as I thought it would be. Just for the simple fact that like it came out, no problem. Okay, so I got all the back bungs back here loose. Now I just have to get the one over there. See if you guys can see it. There's one more bung back there in the middle that I have to get. So as you guys can see, it's loose. It's loose. There it is. Yeah, so it's loose, so now all I gotta do, get that one last bung and slide this bitch through. Ah, these bungs are annoying, bro. This one bracket right here, well, this one bolt was giving me the most trouble to get this exhaust off. But I finally got it. So now the exhaust should be able to freely come out. That's what I'm hoping. Let me just place this thing so it don't fall on me. There we go. The exhaust is finally down, bro. Finally. All right, so your boy finally got the J's Racing exhaust up on the hanger. So now all I gotta do is just bolt it back to the test pipe, put the new gasket, and should be good for a good startup. All right, exhaust is officially mounted onto the car. Bolted it up here to the test pipe. Mounted onto all the bungs and stuff here. It's looking real good. I'm gonna let you guys see a better picture of it, a video of it actually outside. But yeah, now that I got the exhaust, now we need to get the header. I was just speaking to my boy. I'm probably gonna pick up a Skunk 2 header. He told me he'll give me a really good price on that. So that's probably gonna be my next pickup, and then after that, I really want to get started on this body work and like cleaning up the car, because I mean, for me, owning the car for 3 years, driving it all the time, like my car is not a garage queen. It's been taking a lot of hits and dings, so I want to get all new flares, rear flares, maybe get a new carbon hood or something like that. Do something, you know, more aggressive, get the canards and all that good stuff, get the Voltex bumper fixed, because it has like a little bit of rock chips here and there. So I'm thinking about painting the car over, getting it just refreshed. Probably paint the car, the hard top too, for the simple fact of that crack that when someone tried to steal my car a couple years ago or 2 years ago. So like I said, like I have a lot of work that I want to do, a lot of things that I want to get done. I might not do the same flares again, I might do something different, but I'm gonna lower the car now. I put like a gasket around the where the exhaust, the exhaust meets the test pipe. I put a gasket there just in case. So yeah, I just let that sit for a little while. I know you're supposed to wait like 24 hours, but like it was just an extra safety precaution. So we're gonna lower the car now. I'm gonna show you guys the old exhaust. If you want it, you can let me know if you're in New Jersey. I'm selling it 400 or best offer. It does need work. I see like there's a couple, like there's like a hole in the Y pipe back there. So if you want to actually get it fixed, it's up to you. But yeah, $400 or best offer. You have to be in New Jersey. I'm not shipping anything. So like I was saying before, it's a hole here, a hole there. I think it's like a little crack right here, but it could just be how the metal looks. But yeah, Skunk 2. I want to say it's a 60 millimeter. So yeah, if you guys want it, you guys heard how it sounded on the car. Some of you liked how aggressive it sounded, but like I said, I just kind of wanted to get rid of the dual and go single. So that's the only reason why I hopped on the deal that I got. So if you guys are interested in it, just let me know. Like I said, probably gonna have to like do a little weld spots here and maybe here. Other than that, it's a cool exhaust. Sounds good. It's not like ricey or anything like that. All right, just got the thumbnail. Are you guys ready to hear this thing? I don't know if y'all ready or not. I thought it was gonna be a little bit louder than that, but I guess because this doesn't have any like exhaust leaks or anything like that. But I definitely thought it was gonna be louder. The Skunk 2 is definitely louder than this. But we're gonna go for a little drive and see how it sounds. It's actually not as loud in the cabin either. But I can hear my car and it feels so much better. It feels so much better. Like, I can feel the car wanting to breathe more. Damn, I just missed my turn. Shit. The wheels are still growing on me, but I don't know. What do you guys think? How do you feel about them? They're alright. They look pretty good. I think I want to go with a higher profile tire, though. But it doesn't look terrible. You guys let me know what you think. I'm getting some photos of it right now. I'm at the side of Jermaine's shop real quick. Sheesh. No more dual, bros. I gotta clean the exhaust up a little bit, but it's looking really good. Alright, I'm letting Maine go in for the first drive. Letting Maine get his first drive off on the S. About to hear the Jay's Racing start up.